Now, I do not recall seeing these two pieces, guys. They were not here the last time I was here. These chairs, they are at 15% off. They are $216.72. Is that for one? Yeah, I think it's just for one. But yeah, that's cute. Not for $216 though. Okay, guys, now I did not see these pendant fixtures. They are 20% off and they're on sale for $39.99. You say oil rubbed bronze finish, stainless steel shade. Use 3 bulbs up to 60 watts and it is 14 inches. It's $30. This bed is 20% off and it is $55.98. Okay, so that's not bad. That's not bad at all. Okay. So at 15% off, this little cabinet is $82.49. And this one, the design on the front is just a little bit different, so, but it is on sale for $127.49. Okay. Now guys, did we see the summer decor pieces on sale the last time? I don't recall these pieces, but they're 40% off. And how cute is this one? Oh my goodness, and look at this little friend. This one is $13. How cute. Oh yes, Mr. Gnome. This one is a solar loan with B for $10. Okay, so if it's 40% off, it'll be what, $6? Okay. 13 for this one. And oh my, look at Miss Missy here. $19. Okay, I see you looking up at me. Let me see. 15 for this one. It has a little welcome sign. Nice. So yeah, I don't recall seeing these guys, but they're 40% off. Okay, now I know I did not see this piece on the last time, guys. This is a 3-piece walnut pub set, 3 shelves, 2 stools, 20% off. It is $120. Okay. Everything in lawn and garden, they're 40% off. So they have these pots, 2 different sizes. $10 for this one. Ooh, too heavy. For summer products over here, 40% off. Oh, look at this garden center. 30% off. It is $62.99. So it says interchangeable shelves in bean, wheels for portability, and durable resin construction. That's nice. Alrighty friends, so let's go over a few of these tables by Real Living. So these pieces are 15% off, and this is a 48-inch multi-purpose console with 2 drawers and 2 shelves for $127.49. They also have this 1-drawer tapered leg desk for $84.99. Oh my goodness, guys, look at this writing desk here. 15% off, and this one is $55. Original price was $300. Okay, I like this one. And this one is by Bull Hill. Okay, this one is by Real Living. It is a pedestal desk, white finish with built-in charging. At 15% off, it's $110. And is that 49 cents or 99 cents? Okay. Here is something that I did not see the last time from Cook with Color, which is this pizza maker. It is $70. This is definitely new. I did not see this one the last time. So it says master the art of pizza making with our CWC pizza maker. Customize your crust, toppings, and sauce. 1200 watts. I like this company. They have some amazing products. Here's another look of the pizza maker. That is nice, and it feels really heavy. I can tell the way the box is moving. Alrighty, so this is another new piece. As a matter of fact, I see a couple more new pieces over here. Starting with this electric fireplace TV stand. At 20% off, it is $120. This is a storage bench. Nice. It is by Real Living. 15% off. It is $85. This is an entryway table for $67.99. That's what the deal, 15% off. Okay, this is a 4-tier bookcase, black finish. Nice. 15% off. It is $50.99. This is a luxury velvet throw oversized. It is a 50 by 70 for $20, and it's 15% off. So it will be $17. Alright friends, this is a 2-tier server for $30. World's Best Grandma, $5. I'm just showing you some things that I do not recall seeing on the last visit, guys. Okay, no price on this, but this is a really nice bowl. This basket is $7. As well as this one. $5 for the plates. And the resting spoon is $5. Ooh, look how pretty this bowl is. Is that the same bowl? No, this one is round. Let's see. Isn't that gorgeous? Where's the price? Oh my goodness, guys, look at this. How beautiful. $12.98 for this teapot. That is so cute. So we have the round, the teapot, and the oval bowl. This is a 2-piece chip and dip set for $30. Okay. Minnie Mouse apron. Okay guys, a lot of the Disney 3-piece baking sets, they are $10. They also have the 2-pack of the silicone mini mitts for $8. There's another one right there. The 2-pack dish drying mats, $8. 2-pack kitchen towels, $6. Okay. Okay guys, this sheet pan is $13. It is a 12 by 18 by 2. Well, alrighty friends, that is it so far here at Big Lots. And hey, we'll keep the train going. I'll be back another day, probably one day next week, to see if there's anything else new or any other discounts. So yeah guys, thank you all so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys all in the next one.